Does it sometimes happen to you as well that you think that someone at Microsoft is trying to annoy you personally about something? So this is what's happening to me currently. I have something to talk about today, another F-up of Microsoft. So this time it has nothing to do about .NET, PowerShell, Azure, or whatsoever. So this is just normal productivity tool that Microsoft decided to kind of destroy. You can no longer use it, and a lot of people were using it. So let's talk about this. Let's dive right into it. Okay, here it is. So what you see here is a software I started. I have a hardware here on my desk, which is called Stream Deck. And in case you don't know, what you currently see here on that area is basically what I see on that device. It has a bunch of buttons I can press. And currently this button is on, which means I'm currently recording, obviously. Okay, everything is good. So you have a bunch of things and you can put them here as commands. Okay, that's nice. So if I hop over here to that screen, you see something is very odd here. So those are commands coming from this plugin. So you can have plugins in Stream Deck. So sorry. I use those plugins for years now, and they're pretty handy. For instance, what you can do here normally, or what you could do, you could mute yourself in Teams with this button. It used to work. It's no longer working because the Microsoft Teams plugin for Stream Deck, let me zoom a little bit for you, will be removed from Elgato Marketplace in December 2025. So this was upcoming. I was still hoping that I'm not affected, but since last week I am. This follows Microsoft's decision to discontinue the API required for integration. Thank you. Once the API is taken offline, existing team actions and so on, so on. So that's the situation. Okay, so what's happening here? So I have some solution there, but let's talk about what the internet has to say, and let's hop right into that. The first pretty interesting bit this year from Reddit, I will put all the links in the description. So here, someone asked, I just tried to set up and then he got problems and got this message. This is some time ago. And then here is some reaction from Elgato, the makers of Stream Deck. So you are in a weird spot already if even software makers like Elgato don't shy away of just finger pointing directly to Microsoft in a public forum. It's sad. It is a sad day for sure. And unfortunately, it's out of our, meaning Elgato's hand, Microsoft, and so on, so on. So they provide some link. And then all that happens was a big discussion went on here in the feedback portal. And a lot of votes, upvotes, I know, not millions of upvotes, but who clicks on that? This is already nerds going here and trying to convince Microsoft not to do something. And then we have 26 commands and whatever. And pretty much everyone here is shouting at Microsoft since some time, I think 6 months now, since people recognize that this is going to happen. People shout at Microsoft not to switch off the API in Teams, and we are talking about desktop Teams. And Microsoft kind of said, okay, screw it. We're still gonna do it. Thank you for that. The weird part is that Microsoft used to be the master of productivity. Let me actually bring in a proof of that at this point.
So we'd like to do a few demos. And to begin with, it would be great to have a developer come and show us what's possible with professional productivity. And who to know better about productivity than Microsoft? Yeah, these guys know productivity.
Okay, so here you see that even Apple was thinking some time ago, and it's not that long ago, that if it comes to productivity, you should not talk to Apple or Adobe, you probably should talk to Microsoft. I think this is over a long time. I'm not going into the details of guessing why this is over. This is surely a management thing and a strategic decision thing. Whatever, this is why this series of videos exists, right? So I just want to inform you guys that this is really bad. What can you do about it? So in case you are affected, as always, let's try to make up some ideas. Okay, so this guy brought me, thanks for that, shout out to him. I will put the link in the description. And he had some good ideas, which finally ended up, let me show you my Stream Deck again, in me figuring out how to do it. So there's a limited set of things I can do in Teams. So for instance, this command coming from Stream Deck, I think it is, where was that? System and then hotkey switch. So I dragged over some hotkey switches here, those essentially. So what I can do is I can turn my camera on and off. I can turn my sound on and off. I never tried it. I just have to try it, but this is the idea. Here are the shortcuts. I come to those shortcuts in a second. It's just sending keyboard shortcuts. Okay, that's the idea. And by the way, it will only work if I activate the Teams window, probably, because it sends the shortcuts to the active window. And then what we have here, this is, I'm not even sure, I think sharing my screen and unsharing my screen, and then end the call. So this is like the rage quit button here. So that's what it is. Those are different buttons I use. So here we are. Now I can delete this page for sure, because it is not going to work anymore. Bye-bye page. And now I'm stuck with those commands. So let's switch over here. Oh, I have to go back to my screening thing. So let's switch over to the conclusion. So what I'm saying here is that this is symptomatic, guys. This is what, as I said, the whole series of videos is about. So Microsoft is, I'm not even talking about not improving software. They're actually degrading software. So probably for reasons, I don't know what the reason might be, but literally the API integration section in the settings of Teams just disappeared. There's no section anymore, so I cannot show you what's missing. And then there was an API key, and that is now 2026, where, I mean, literally everybody is talking API. So what should I guess what's going on? I'm not sure. But, you know, removing an API in a time where you have a shitload of bots, of AI bots coming and trying to interact with you, probably from that direction, and Microsoft does not want you to do that, or the bots to do it. They got security risks with it. I don't know. I didn't find any, you know, link online or source where I can rely on. So it means, I don't know, guys. I have no idea. All that I know is this sucks a lot, because I was very productive with that, having reactions. You don't have reactions. I cannot raise my hand. I cannot give a like, whatever. It's always a click, blah, blah, blah. And now I'm here and having the Stream Deck for other tools happily, but not for Microsoft Teams again. This sucks. Thanks for watching. See you next time.